Okay, so guten Abend. We are here to learn B2 exam preparation. Okay, especially B2 exam preparation. The preparation is of basically two modules, that is speaking and writing, expression and schreiben. Yeah, lesen and hören totally depends on your vocabulary. As much as vocabulary you learn, as much you understand. Yeah, the meanings. I need to go outside. Some making noise. Yeah. So as much as vocabulary you learn, that much understanding power you will have, because you'll understand the meanings of the words, then only you are able to crack out the answer from that. And for hearing, you can also refer to some of the hearing audios available on YouTube, and one, two exam preparation books along with the CDs. You can hear them, 10, 12 hearings you can hear. After hearing, your hearing skills will improve. But vocabulary is needed parallel. You need to have a good vocabulary. Without that, you cannot proceed. Yeah. So, beginning with expression and Schreiben. Schreiben has two modules. One is blog writing and one is email writing. Have you ever written some blog? Any way you know how to write blog? You have to write approximately 150 words in blog. So I'll be giving you fixed structure, fix approximately 70 to 80 words. You're like your half of the work would be done. Any blog comes, you have to write those 80 fixed words. And rest of like 60, 70 words you need to gather according to the points which you need to cover. The Muglischkeit, possibilities, Vorteil, Nachteil, and likewise your Meinung, opinion, and all that. So you have to gather those things. That much you can do as per the topic. You need to learn vocabulary. I'll also make you practice few blocks, the typical Goethe topics which come in Goethe. I have been an external teacher in Delhi Goethe. So I'll be teaching you the Goethe topics only. So maybe you get the same topic sometime. Few of my students got same topics in B1 and B2 both. So maybe your luck, you can get some same topic also. Then you can write blindly, which whatever I have like taught. So that you can write in blog. Email also, I'll make you do for 5 to 6 email of Goethe topic, and few will practice more just for practice from some sample paper or something like that. That will practice. But Goethe emails, proper Goethe topic, which comes in Goethe word to word, that will practice 5 to 6. And some email can come to you also in Kochi or Trivandrum. Has recently happened with few of my students in B1 and B2. They got the same topic which was being taught. And if I talk about expression and Schreiben, expression only, Schreiben is done. In expression, you have two tiles to present. Basically three, but main are two. Like first is presentation. And this is not presentation, this is a Vortrag, a higher version of presentation, you can say. So Vortrag, you need to present a kind of presentation. A topic will be given to you and you need to present. If I talk to you, one of the topic is written on my screen. That's my last class slide. So it was open. Teamarbeit, if I give you topic. Can you all hear me? I hope you can hear me. Actually, all of your cameras and mics are off, so I'm not getting any response from your sides. It would be better if you open your cameras and mics. Requesting you all to open your cameras and mics if possible. Yes, please. Elsa, Sneha, Stephen, Godwin. Can you all hear me? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So, talking about expression, if I give you Teamarbeit topic. So basically what you have to cover in every presentation for Vortrag is, first you have to tell the Meinung. What is your opinion about this topic? Your common opinion. You think Teamarbeit is good or bad, up to you. You have to give your opinion. Then is the Möglichkeit, the possibilities where you can do Teamarbeit. Like I can do teamwork while preparing for a presentation, presentation vorbereitung, preparing for a presentation, I can work in team, preparing for some party, organizing a party, eine Party organisieren, that there I can do teamwork. So you need to write few of the Möglichkeiten where you can apply this Teamarbeit. Then you need to pick one Möglichkeit, one possibility, like I choose doing household work together. So you need to pick one and explain that further. Genauer erklären. You need to explain that possibility. One possibility you need to explain further. Like I choose Hausarbeit, and then I can say if we do Teamarbeit in house. So this way we can spend time with our family persons. Everybody is having lack of time these days. So we can spend time with our family in this way while doing Teamarbeit. Then we have to write Vorteil and Nachteil. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of Teamarbeit? I would always prefer that always go with the topic until and unless that topic is totally negative. Negative like smoking or drinking or something. Until and unless the topic is totally negative. Go with the topic. Every topic has some of the disadvantage, but most of the topics are towards 90% of the positive side. So go with the topic, like ich bin dafür. Never say ich bin dagegen. Ich bin dafür. I'm with the topic. So it's easy to write Vorteil, advantages of a topic, and Nachteil you can write just one. Or sometimes we can say es gibt keine Nachteil. There's no disadvantage for this topic. Yeah. So we need to cover only these 4 points. Rest, the fixed structure would be provided by me. You need to speak that fixed structure blindly in any of the presentation. Any of the presentation. We'll be doing approximately 20 topics of presentation, and that are all Goethe topics. So you may get any of the topic in your Goethe branch also. So if we talk about these 4 points, these can be explained like this. There's a fixed structure, telling about Meinung. Teamarbeit spielt eine wichtige Rolle in unserem Leben. While you have to give your reason. While Teamarbeit die Arbeit erleichtert. Deswegen bin ich dafür. Therefore, I am with the theme. So fixed structure would be given. Möglichkeit. These are few of the Möglichkeit. Zusammen eine Party organisieren. Projektvorbereitung im Büro. Zusammen Hausarbeit machen. Then we come to one I said need to clear more. Genauer erklären. Ich finde zusammen Hausarbeit machen am besten. I find this one the best. While or da you can use according to your choice. While we are Zeit mit der Familie verbringen kann. We can spend time with family. Yeah, so one I explained. Then coming up to 4 type. Teamarbeit, spart Zeit. It saves time. Man kann neue Freunde finden, während man zusammenarbeitet. We can find new friends when we work together in a team. New friendships, new relations are made. Yeah, the Arbeit is geteilt. The work is divided. The Nachteil, if you write one Nachteil, naturally you'll write ist. If you write more, then you'll write sind. The Nachteil ist. Manchmal gibt es Politik in their Teamarbeit. Sometimes the people who are on higher position try to dominate the person on lower position. So there is some politics going on in the offices mostly. So politic can be the Nachteil. And then we can say, je mehr Teamarbeit ist. This is a double connector which we need to use at the end anyhow. So we need to apply double connector, Doppelkonnektoren, which you must have learned in B1. Je desto, einerseits, andererseits, sowohl als auch. You must have learned these?
Yes, ma'am.
You learned these connectors? Okay. So before like starting, you can say B2, what is the main thing which we need to do? So in B2, the main grammar is passive, which we need to learn to clear exam. Then is double connector, which you have already done, but we need to revise those because these play a very important role in B2. Double connector, then prepositions. These 3 things need to be crystal clear before giving the B2 exam. So firstly, we will revise all these things. First of all, Then we will come to exam preparation. In exam preparation, like I told you, will be given the fixed topic, fixed structure of the things. I'll show you one, like for fourth rag. See, their fourth rag, a mini, like a higher version of presentation, you can say. B2, in B2, we say fourth rag, not the presentation. Some of the important do's and don'ts of the fourth rag. It is a fourth rag, not a presentation. Always speak with smile and confidence. Never speak like, speak with eye contact. Don't speak like by hiding your eyes from the teacher, looking here and there. No. Speak straight, look straight with a smile and speak. And look at your partner also, because he or she is your speaking partner. Teacher is there to mark you, not as your partner. So you need to look at your partner and then speak, because you two are speaking partners. So look at your partner more. The third point says, look more at your partner while speaking rather than your teacher. Use double connectors like ये desto, einerseits, andererseits, sowohl als auch, whatever like would be suitable there. And use at least one sentence of passive in your speaking and one sentence of passive in your schreiben also, I would suggest. That I'll give you, fixed structure. I'll give you those two fixed sentences. Those two fixed sentences of passive would fit anywhere. You just need to fit one or two words like about it in relation to the topic. Rest whole of the sentence would fit. So you know, don't have to think even much that what passive should I make. These are some of the do's and don'ts for the fourth rag. Then comes the common lines, introduction line. Any topic comes, you need to speak these lines blindly. If you remember, in school life also, when we need to present something or we need to go for some debate or something, like if the topic was science and technology, how we used to start? Like we used to speak something common. You must have heard some students also. Science and technology. Is it a curse in today's life or is it a blessing? Let us see further. Like we speak like this, the common introduction we come along with. This is a common line in that way only. XYZ means the topic which you have for your presentation for like Teamarbeit. Teamarbeit, ein großes Problem in der heutigen Welt means Teamarbeit, a biggest problem in today's world, oder ein großes Segen, or a biggest boon, a blessing. Lass uns das weiter sehen. Let us see further. Then from here we start our presentation, main Vortrag. Guten Tag alle zusammen. Guten Tag alle zusammen. Heute möchte ich einen Vortrag halten. Words marked with red need to be spoken like this only. Einen means einen. No change because of möchte, it's in accusative. Einen, it's their Vortrag, so einen. And halten is used with Vortrag. You can't say geben. Ich möchte Vortrag geben, präsentieren. No. Vortrag halten means halten. You need to learn like this. Any topic comes, fix words. Blindly you can speak. Heute möchte ich einen Vortrag halten. Mein Thema ist Teamarbeit. Ich habe dieses Thema gewählt, weil ich es interessant finde. Why gewählt? Why you are saying chosen? Because you're given two. Because you are given two of the topics. One topic you need to choose according to your choice that I'm going to present on this topic. So that's why it is like that you need to say that I have chosen this topic. Okay. Then, zuerst sage ich über meine Meinung, ob ich dafür oder dagegen bin. Danach sage ich andere Möglichkeiten. Anschließend möchte ich eine Möglichkeit genauer erklären. This is what I told you. Zuerst sage ich meine Meinung. Firstly, I'll tell my Meinung, ob, whether I am with the topic or against the topic. Danach sage ich andere Möglichkeiten. Then I'll tell the possibilities. Then one possibility I'll more clear. Möglichkeit genauer erklären. Zum Schluss nenne ich die Vor- und Nachteile. Then I'll tell the Vorteil and Nachteil. Ja? Mit diesen Punkten fange ich jetzt an. Like with these points, now I begin. And when you begin, you need to cover these points only. So these are some of the ways of telling your Meinung. First and third have a cross. See, why cross? It is not wrong, but it is a like lower version, A2 kind of line, A2, B1 line. In B2, you must say either number 2 3 or number 2, 4 or 5. Okay. Ich bin die Ansicht, dass, ich stehe auf dem Standpunkt, dass, ich bin der Ausblick, dass. So in this way you can present your Meinung. Ich stehe auf dem Standpunkt, dass Teamarbeit eine wichtige Rolle in unserem Leben spielt. While Teamarbeit die Arbeit erleichtert. Because it can lighten up your work. The work becomes light from Teamarbeit. The work gets divided and it becomes light. Deswegen bin ich dafür. So telling your Meinung is fixed. You just need to put a while in this. You just have to pick one out of the blue lines. Ich stehe auf dem Standpunkt, dass, and then put your topic name in XYZ. Any topic spielt eine wichtige Rolle. Because of das, the verb will go to end. Nebensatz. XYZ eine wichtige Rolle in unserem Leben spielt while. Followed by a while, your reason, and then I am with the topic. Fixed lines. Just need to put the fill-ups in between. Here in this, till the Meinung, you just have to put while. Nothing else. Rest all is fixed. Then coming up to this Möglichkeit, lines are fixed. Es gibt viele andere Möglichkeit, das sind. Jetzt nenne ich andere Möglichkeit, zum Beispiel. You can choose any one out of these two. This line, this area, marked with blue lines. This one, I'm marking with red circle. This here, you need to tell your Möglichkeit. Which Möglichkeits you are going to speak, like party organization or whatever I told you. Then, one Möglichkeit, genauer erklären. Ich finde, any Möglichkeit, XYZ means any one Möglichkeit. Hausarbeit, zusammen Hausarbeit machen, am besten, then why. Like I told you, we can spend time with family, then that while you have to fix. Here you just have to fill one while and Möglichkeits. 3-4 Möglichkeits. Coming to next. Nun erwähne ich Vor- und Nachteile. The Vorteil sind, then you will tell Vorteil. The Nachteil is. If it is one, it is. Telling the Nachteil. Then you have already done this. You have cleared one, so no need to do it again. Coming up to this, use of Doppelconnector. Einerseits, andererseits, or je desto. Je mehr Teamarbeit ist, desto besser ist es für Berufsleben. The more Teamarbeit, that is better for the professional life. So you can put any of the Doppelconnectoren, yeah. And then after this, common ending line. Hiermit ist mein Vortrag zu Ende. Ich danke Ihnen für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit. I thank you for your attention. Yeah, you need to speak this, then your Vortrag is finished. Some of more do's and don'ts, like when you are done, your partner, when you are done and your partner asks you a question. You have given your Vortrag, your presentation. Your partner asks you a question. It is a second time that your partner will ask you a question on basis of your presentation. So just remember, out of courtesy and just to get good marks, always say, Danke für die Frage. First, thank him or her for the question and then answer. Danke für die Frage. Ja, ich denke, whatever your answer is. Okay. So out of courtesy and to get good marks, always say Danke für die Frage. Then coming up to this, when like your partner is done and you need to ask your partner a question, you will also ask a question. So speak some lines first and then ask question. Purple, marked with purple. Ich finde Ihren Vortrag sehr gut. I find your Vortrag sehr gut und interessant, very interesting, mit so viel guten Punkten, with so many good points. Yet möchte ich eine Frage stellen. Frage is with stellen, fix. Now I want to ask a question, kann ich, and then ask your question. This will give you plus 2-3 marks. So these are some do's and don'ts and ways how we proceed. And then I'll give you some common questions, like you have to ask your partner now. You'll be thinking, what question should I ask? I'll give you fixed question, 3-4 questions that fit up to 90% of the presentations. So that would be really helpful to you also. We'll do many presentations of like Goethe topic and we'll proceed like this. And debate also, I'll teach you how to do debate, do's and don'ts of the debates, what to do, what not to do, like this. So everything would be taught to you, like, okay. So you can be tension free for Sprechen and Schreiben preparation. And to be very clear, Lesen and Hören preparation, like we can do 1 or 2 sample lesen, hören here. When we will end with Sprechen, Schreiben, at the end we can do. But it depends on you. It depends on your vocabulary. You need to learn vocabulary for that. If you are weak in vocabulary, nobody can help you in lesen and hören. I can help you out in Sprechen and Schreiben because it has a specific fixed pattern, a specific fixed exam preparation. But lesen and hören does not have any specific preparation. It depends on your vocabulary and your hearing skills. That you need to practice from practice papers. We can practice one or two in class. That is okay. You can ask question like how to do it and any problem. But you need to learn a lot of vocabulary for that. That is the thing. That was from my side. This was just a presentation example. Many debates will do exam Goethe topics. I am repeating myself. We'll do Goethe topics for Sprechen and Schreiben both.